How did you get on the countertop? What in the world? What in the world? How did you get on the countertop? What in the world? What will we do? Looks like a wild lion snuck in last night and is on the countertop now. What in the world? Uh-oh. He's dangerous. What in the world? You gotta get down over there. Oh, weasel. All right, boys. You gonna cook us some breakfast, Lilo? Over there on the stove? Yeah. Okay, adventures are over. I'm just trying to get into cabinets and make breakfast. Oh my gracious. All right, boys. Show's over. Good night, Hollywood. Could use one of you as Thanksgiving dinner. Eee, don't do it. Oh my. All right, boys, show's over.